What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Look at what your boy got. I've been waiting for this. Add to the arsenal, add to the business, keep everything going to the next level. I got the Ego chainsaw, y'all, 18-inch. And I had to go back to my first love, Toro Weed Eater, 25.4 cc's worth of power, commercial engine. Y'all, I had a Toro Weed Eater for about 9 years. That's how long that thing lasts, and it treated me so good. I ain't never had a weed eater that I think could last that long, so I had to go back with it. That PAS Echo 225 that I had, it finally went out on me. I only had it for a year and a half, and I done changed the carburetor, everything, and it died on me. So I have another 225 backup, but it's a SRM. But you know, after that PAS went out on me, I just had to go back with Toro. It just lasts so long. So here it is again. I'll unbox it and I'll show y'all what it's looking like, and I'll unbox this Ego as well. All right, y'all, catch you soon. Kind of hard trying to one-hand this thing, y'all. You know what? Use my brain a little bit better. Easy load fees, speed load bump. Alright, we got the guard, the handle, oil. You guys know I love my guards. I always like to have my guard on. Yep, here she is. Brand new out the bag. Bad boy was made September 2020. 25.4 cc's. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but yep, there we go. 25.4. Manufacturing date September 6, 2020. So yeah, I can't wait to use this bad boy. I just know how faithful and how long it's gonna last. I'm just happy. All right, let's move on to the Ego. Pretty much got all this stuff except the portable power station, snow blower. We don't get that much snow in Georgia, and these 21-inch mowers. But I have the hedge trimmer. Now I have a chainsaw. Got the backpack blower. Got the handheld blower. I got a string trimmer. So I got a lot of Ego stuff up here. See that Ego? You need to hook your boy up. I've been supporting y'all, and another reason why I support Ego, because the very first battery I had for the backpack blower, I didn't have a warranty on the battery. I don't even think they offered me a warranty at that time. But Ego gave me a brand new battery, a 5.0 battery. You know, good integrity from the company, and ever since then they helped me out. And in fact, I got that battery like in a week and a half, and kept my business going. So shout out to you, Ego, for helping me out. So, yep, here we go. If you guys ever buy Ego equipment, always open up the box first to make sure everything's in there. That's just a force of habit that I have. Make sure the battery's in there and everything, and make sure the correct size battery's in there. And so let's see what this looks like. All right, we got the fuel gauge. So this, they newest batteries with the fuel gauge. So we got one manufacturing date, July 20, 2020. So you know me, I'm gonna write my number on here and the manufacturing date, so I can always keep up with it. Got a charger. I got plenty of chargers. I need no more chargers. All right, here she go. Chainsaw. Oh. So yeah, I definitely gotta do a review on this one day, y'all. So here we go. Look like an LED light. This is the tensioner that I was told about right here to tighten up the chain. Must be the safety. This might be the oil. Yep, that's the oil. Yep, that's definitely the oil. Tensioner on this side, tighten up the chain. What I hear? Yep. Okay, safety thing. It's the LED light. So that'd be good for cutting at nighttime or while it's getting dark. This safety switch right here, where you crank it up and, well, before you start it. Look at this chain. Oh yeah. So yep, we rolling now, guys. So yeah, so once again, you know, always get equipment for your business, guys. Like I said, you know, I have a few rental properties, so I want to make sure I always have equipment not only for lawn care but also my other businesses. And you know, sometimes we do have storms in Georgia and trees do fall down, so you know it's good to go ahead and have that portable chainsaw. You know, I had well, I still got it. It's a electrical chainsaw that you plug in the house sockets, you know what I mean, and it's still reliable. I mean, I done had that thing now about 12 years, and I've changed the chain on it probably like 5 or 6 times, so you know I get pretty good use out of it. And but you know, now I got something that's portable, it's battery, and it also go with all my other, you know, equipment, my blowers, my weed eaters, and everything. So you know, always get stuff that goes for your business. And you know, so, but I'll catch you guys soon. I'm gonna go ahead and put everything together. Y'all have a safe weekend. Y'all have a safe week, and y'all enjoy your business, and enjoy, you know, your family, and enjoy everything that comes towards you to help you strive in life. All right, peace. Talk to you later. Stay safe. Oh, she's a getter. She is put together. Oh yeah. Time to get those grass and edges lined up perfectly. Peace.